Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common task in SharePoint: how to delete a list. If you're managing a SharePoint site in 2025, you might need to clean up outdated lists to keep things organized and efficient. But remember, deleting a list is permanent, so double check before you proceed. It could erase important data. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint account. Head over to your SharePoint site by going to office.com and signing in with your Microsoft credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the specific site that contains the list you want to delete. This is usually found in your site's dashboard. Next, look for the Site Contents option, which is typically on the left-hand menu or under the Settings gear icon. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the items in your site, including lists, libraries, and subsites. Find the list you want to delete. Maybe it's an old project tracker or a redundant form. To delete it, hover over the list name and click the three dots that appear next to it. This will open a menu. Select Settings or List Settings from the options. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page, and you'll find a Delete this list link. Click on that, and SharePoint will prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you really want to proceed. Confirm the deletion by clicking OK or Delete, depending on the interface in 2025. And just like that, the list is gone. If you're using SharePoint online, it might move to the recycle bin first, giving you a safety net to restore it if needed. A quick tip: before deleting, export any data you might need later using Excel or another export tool. This way, you avoid any regrets. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more SharePoint tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.